Welcome to yet another informative video from Joyce Academy. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to strike the bell icon to get notifications on upcoming videos. Stepping forward to chartered accountancy. As we think of various professional career options available in the field of commerce, the prominent options that come to our mind are CA, CS, ACCA, CIMA, and so on. In this video, we will focus on chartered accountancy as a career option and how to step forward for the same. A CA aspirant can enter the course through either CA Foundation or through direct entry scheme. Moving on to CA Foundation, it is the entry-level exam of CA course conducted twice in a year, usually in May and November. The candidate can opt when to give the attempt. Students, after appearing in Class 12th examinations conducted by respective education boards under state or central government, can register by paying fees for foundation course following guidelines in www.icai.org, which is the official website of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. These students are required to complete a minimum of 4 months study period from the date of registration to be eligible to appear for the exam. Subjects covered in foundation exam: Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, 100 marks. Paper 2, Business Law and Business Correspondence and Reporting, 100 marks. Business Law for 60 marks and Business Correspondence and Reporting for 40 marks. Paper 3, Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics, 100 marks. Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning for 60 marks. Statistics for 40 marks. Paper 4, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, 100 marks. Business Economics, 60 marks. Business and Commercial Knowledge, 40 marks. Paper 3 and 4 are objective type papers and are subject to negative marking. Passing criteria. A candidate would be declared as passed if he or she obtains minimum 40% marks in each paper and minimum 50% marks in aggregate of all papers, that is in total of all papers. Study material will be provided by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, to registered address of the candidate. So that was all about CA Foundation. Now moving on to direct entry scheme. Candidates opting this scheme are exempted from CA Foundation exam. They can directly give CA Intermediate, that is second level exams of CA course. Graduates or postgraduates in commerce with minimum 55% marks. Graduates or postgraduates in other stream with minimum 60% marks. Candidates who cleared intermediate level of Company Secretary ICSI and Cost Accountancy ICMA are eligible for this on fulfilling certain requirements issued by ICAI. Fees and registration procedure is to be followed as per the guidelines of ICAI issued in www.icai.org. On successful registration, study materials will be provided by the institute. Now, CA Intermediate course comprise of 2 groups with 4 papers each. Clearing this will enable the candidate to perform articleship for 3 years and then appear for CA final examination. I hope this video was informative and beneficial to all. I wish one and all a bright future. Thank you.